来关心国际新闻，美国本地6月开始要甲欧盟扣50%的关税，川普当时宣布暂缓实施，这也带动欧洲的股市甲汇市大起。欧洲央行的总裁表示，这川普政策反起反倒，颠倒是欧元加强国际地位的好机会，无的确阁会当取代美金。
美国总统川普25暂时收回对欧盟扣50%高关税威胁，同意欧盟执委会主席邦德莱恩的要求，甲关税谈判期限延长到7月7号。投资人总算心情较轻松啊！欧洲股市主要指数是强势大起，德国法兰克福指数是大起强要400点，法国巴黎更上高会指数也收红。分析师认为讲，欧美的贸易谈判充满无确定性，因后扣关税对谈判有帮助。
Trump threatening at the last minute to impose big tariffs on June 1st was a very sudden move. It was a very destabilizing move. Now, with the supposedly extra time, it's a way for talks to resume again. I wouldn't say that the EU team can breathe a sigh of relief, because if there's one thing the US has shown, it's that it's willing to make sudden moves to try and take advantage.
分析师佫指出讲，延长期限是恢复谈判的一种方式，目前佫无啥清楚实际分歧是啥。面对川普反起反倒的政策，欧洲中央银行总裁拉加德表示，这正是欧元加强国际地位的好机会。欧元可能取代美金，让欧元区有机会享受一寡较大专属美国的特权。
Europe can press home this advantage by continuing to forge new trade agreements, and we should make clear that we support a win-win approach to trade, ensuring that we are the most attractive partner to make deals with. We can do deals too.
拉加德也强调讲，特权并不是天顶落落来的，是一定爱拍拼争取的。欧洲中央银行最新的报告指出，2023年欧元的国际地位保持基本稳定。欧洲定定展现维护稳定法律甲制度基础的能力，来维护投资者对伊长期价值的信心。股市新闻，陈伟仁编译。